Good morning, Foray. I hope you are ready for another week of e-learning or distance learning. I'm also hoping you had a good weekend. I hope you rested. I hope you took a break and you are ready for a new week ahead. This week is going to be a special week because we are starting exams. So this week, next week, and possibly the week after, we will be conducting some exams. So um, that's what's going to be a little different in the next couple of weeks. Um, there are very two important announcements that I would like to make in this video. Please do you know that last night I posted a new updated timetable since we are all the year four classes are taking exams at the same time. So I had to move some classes around for this week. Guys, you must make sure that you save this timetable or make sure you follow it because um, it shows you exams and what are the times of exams. So please really make sure that you are ready online for your exams. Make sure you know when your exam is and make sure you know what subjects you're having. Last week, a couple of children were unaware that the PE was moved to Thursday because they never looked at the timetable. This week, PE moved and other subjects, so please really make sure you follow your timetable. So, guys, new timetables up. Please save it. Please. Um, Regarding exams, there will be online exams, and I will talk about that in our daily meeting at the end of today. Uh, but the most important things I posted on Dojo. Please, there are some rules, guys, that I will really need you to follow, and I really need you to read through them. They are, as I said, posted on Dojo. Please really make sure you read through them. I can't have any children breaking these rules. I need everyone to follow them the same to make this a successful um, assessment period. Okay. All right. Thank you. So that was announcement number one. Please really do check what I posted on Dojo. And announcement number two is that I was told to do my daily meetings during school time, not after school time. They will be done in my periods, of course, so they don't clash with your lessons. Um, Sunday, Monday, we will do them during their time, so at 1 o'clock, and the other days it will be the last period with me. So, but of course, every day I will let you know what time it is, and I will make sure that you all can join the meeting. Okay. All right, so two important announcements. Today, let me take a look at the new timetable for today. Right, so today, guys, lesson one, you will start with maths. Today in maths, you will be learning about measuring a perimeter of shapes, polygons. If you remember, that's like if you add all the sides together, that equals your perimeter. Also, you will be trying to calculate lengths of missing sides in polygons. So, not an easy topic, but I still hope easy enough for you to understand and yeah, easy enough to complete the activity. Then the second lesson, no need to submit anything in maths. Second lesson will be UAE Social Studies A and Islamic B, depending on your timetable. Lesson 3 will be Islamic and Arabic. Um, Guys, those who by any chance have UAE Social Studies B today, of course, I will post it today also. But please just make sure you follow your timetables, okay? And everyone else, make sure it's submitted before Thursday. All right, lesson 4 will be ICT, guys. You will be working on a short project. You will be working with animations, transitions this time, not animations anymore. You can choose your own transitions, okay? And it will be a limited a number of slides, okay? Not as many as usual. And you can choose your own transitions. Should be easy enough to do within 40 minutes. And then, guys, between 1 and 1:30, instead of dear time or reading time, we are going to have a meeting on Microsoft Teams. So be ready for 1 o'clock, please. All right, regarding the riddle on Thursday, the riddle was, if brother, his sister, and the dog weren't under an umbrella, why didn't they get wet? The answer was, it wasn't raining, okay? If I look at the answers that I got from you guys, Sami has said there was no rain, and or they were under the roof. Yeah, very good one. Safe, no rain. Divine also. Yalma said it was a sunny day. Celine also, either not raining or inside the house. Yes. Um, Ryan, because they cover themselves with an umbrella. No, the riddle says they were not under the umbrella. Okay, no rain. They were indoors. Okay, everyone else who commented, Ira, Isita, Hayden, no rain. Mariam also, Simran, no rain. Hanin, Haya, Anahita, Zohaib. Okay, good, brilliant. Your riddle for today that you have to answer in the comments under this post is, after a train crashed, every single person died. Who survived? All right, once again. After a train crashed, every single person died. Who survived? Try to think about it. All right, very good. Now, I'm just gonna read. I told you on Thursday that every day I will pick another planet. So we had Mercury, so today it will be Venus. I'm gonna be reading some interesting facts about Venus. Right. So the atmosphere, guys, atmosphere is basically the space between the Earth and, like literally the sky, okay? Between the surface of the Earth and like just above clouds, okay? So the atmosphere of Venus is made up mainly of carbon dioxide, okay? Which is a gas we do have on planet Earth, but our atmosphere is made up of different gases, mainly um, oxygen and let me find it. Earth's atmosphere. Uh, gases. So it will be oxygen. All right, so 20, so it's oxygen, also carbon dioxide, but that's like such a tiny percentage. But mainly nitrogen, then oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Whereas if you compare it to Venus, okay, Venus is mainly made up of carbon dioxide. Okay, so that's very different to planet Earth. Its size is slightly smaller than Earth. It also features gravity similar to that on Earth. Venus is surrounded by clouds consisting of mercury, ferric chloride, hydrocarbons, and sulfuric acid. These clouds create the most corrosive acid rain found anywhere in our solar system. Guys, if you ever had a metal rod and left it in the rain, and just outside for some period of time and it rained on it, you will find rust. It's like red, kind of like a tiny red layer or red particles that start forming on top of the metal rod. So on Venus, the clouds, when it actually rains from these clouds, the rain is so acidic, okay, that it's the most corrosive acid rain found anywhere in our solar system, okay, from all the planets. So that's why it's red, because you know, that rain would make any metal basically have rust. Like there's a lot of rust probably on planet Venus. The clouds are so thick that little light even reaches the surface. The light that does reach the surface is converted to heat and cannot escape the atmosphere, making Venus the hottest planet at around 500 degrees of Celsius. So imagine at the moment we have like around 40 degrees outside. So imagine 500 degrees of Celsius. How hot is that? The surface of Venus is often described as stormy desert, full of many craters and very active volcanoes. The surface is also likened to molten lead. Okay, so basically it looks like a molten lead. Venus features no liquid water. It has absolutely no liquid water. All right. Okay, so this is Venus, and I forgot to say that today is Sunday, the 3rd of May. Tomorrow on Monday, I will read about another planet. And don't forget, I'm seeing you on Teams at 1 o'clock. Please don't ask me what time, miss. It's 1 o'clock, and I'm going to post it on Teams and on Dojo as well. All right, thank you for listening. Have an amazing day ahead.